Breed just after, like, between, like, if April, when it starts coming light and you get more hours in the day light, that's when they start breeding. Well, these will breed all the way through. They'll just, in the right habitat.
Yeah.
Well, here we are in Mr. Wood's aviary. He's explaining to me the different types of canaries you got in here. I haven't got a clue.
That bullfinch there.
You know, that
And two
bullfinch.
lovely.
He's just coming through his molt and all. He will be a nice colour in a couple of weeks.
So beautiful. Flying around, they're all huddled in the cage here as well there. Got the freedom.
And put your line of them up here.
You've got the freedom of the place, and if we look, let's see, up at the top here, and there's Mr. Wood there, with a smile on his face for change. Oh, look at that.
Old yellow ones, the canaries.
Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah.
That's the old fashioned.
Yeah.
Oh, simply amazing. Look at them. So peaceful. Oh, I bet Mr. Wood spent hours in here.
And a glass of beer.
Just look at that. What's that one with the black and then the yellow front? Is it black top? The one, the first one on the top perch, yeah.
A red. You've got a red face.
Yeah, that one.
A Gouldian finch.
A Gouldian finch.
Gouldian.
Gouldian finch. Good.
Someone have just been on about with all the colours.
Yeah, no.
It hasn't got black on it.
I think the Australian. You're the one that's next to each other. They're Mexican house finches.
Some Mexican house finches in here, as you can tell. And we'll come back and look round. Oh, I've just been told that they all huddle together in one box. They're so friendly, these. Just look at them. They're all along the line there. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my. Here they are. Looking. Well, I just missed one going in the bath, but they might go in again in a minute if we hang on and watch. They're all chattering away. No, not being tempted at the moment. No. I don't know whether they can pick it up on the sound, but